Hi folks, my name is Kushal Bhagia and I am a venture capitalist and the CEO of First Check. Welcome to Know Your Term Sheet. This is going to be a series of videos where I explain the most common terms and clauses in a typical venture term sheet and other most commonly used startup jargon which first time entrepreneurs have a lot of problems understanding. So why am I doing this? There are two reasons. The first one is fairly selfish. We fund a new company at First Check every 7 to 10 days and I invariably end up doing a 1-hour call explaining the term sheet to pretty much every first time founder we fund. So this is a selfish attempt to productize part of my job so that the next founder will just get a link to this video. The second reason is that after doing more than 50 deals, I realized that I ended up being the one hand holding the founders and guiding them through the process, which as you can imagine is a complete conflict of interest, right? Since I'm also the one issuing the term sheet. What I realized is that while investors do this every day, most founders raise money only once in their lives. So they are obviously not prepared and have no idea what a term sheet is and what to expect. Most founders understand that they will receive some money for some percentage of their company, but that's it. What they don't understand is that the money comes with a lot of ifs and buts, and often those ifs and buts are way more important than the percentage you're giving up or the amount that you're getting. So from my experience, when founders encounter a term sheet for the first time, their response falls into three categories: the noobs, the just tell me where to sign, and the smart ones. The noobs, these are founders who get totally taken aback with all these terms that they never heard of, and they just feel that somebody's ripping them off. Just tell me where to sign guys are people who just don't care. They are like, just give me my money, let me go build my company, and they're just in a hurry to close. They don't even find out what the terms really mean. And the third one are the smart guys who know that okay, what's fair and what's standard and what shouldn't be there, what they need to push back on. These people also tend to close very fast. So this series is my attempt to help educate young first time founders who don't know better and help them transition to category 3, where they know what terms they should negotiate on and what terms are fairly standard. I'll try to give my best advice, but just to be clear, I am not a lawyer, and if you're raising a significant round of funding from anyone who's not your friends and family, I would advise you to definitely hire a lawyer to take you through the process. I also want to make it clear that choosing the right investors and having a relationship based on mutual trust and respect is far more important than the actual terms. If your company works, you are going to be working with this person for the next 5 to 10 years. So it's important to understand your investors' incentives and reasons, and it's important to choose your investors wisely. A bad investor who comes on decent terms can still make your life hell. So before you get to the term sheet, you should first build this trust with the investor. So in each short video that we'll subsequently release, we shall cover one specific term from the standard VC term sheet so that you, my founder friends, know your term sheet. If you have any questions, if you have any comments, any feedback, any suggestions for us, please do leave them in the comments section below this video. And yeah, look forward to hearing from a lot of first time founders. Thank you.